Hey there! Ever wondered how those amazing data visuals on your favorite apps are created? Or how Netflix knows exactly what you want to watch next? Or maybe you have asked yourself, can I make sense of all this data I see around me? Well, I'm here to tell you that you can. And all it takes is Python. Python has become one of the most powerful tools of data analysis in the world today. And it's not just about writing code. Python automates those repetitive tasks, pulls out hidden trends in the data, and even helps create chatbots. I mean, how cool is that? But let me ask you this. Have you ever heard of Python libraries? If not, don't worry. That's what I'm here for. In this video, we are going to explore some of the top Python libraries for data analysis that make life so much easier, from handling big data to creating the stunning visuals. So let's get started with the most important ones you need to know. First up is TensorFlow. Now, it's a big name in machine learning and deep learning. If you are thinking of building some serious neural networks, TensorFlow is your go-to. It's powerful, it's fast, and trust me, it can handle a lot of Next, we have NumPy. Now, if you are dealing with numbers and want to perform high-speed calculation, NumPy is your best friend. It's a game changer for numerical data processing. Then we have Pandas. Sounds cute, right? But it's one of the most powerful libraries for data manipulation. Whether you're working with rows and columns or massive data sets, Pandas help you clean, structure, and make sense of your data with ease. And what's data without some stunning visuals? That's where Matplotlib comes in. You can create anything from simple line graphs to complex bar charts. It's all about bringing your data to life. And if you're getting into machine learning, Scikit-learn is a must. For deep learning, TensorFlow and Keras are your best friends. The other important Python libraries for data analysis are PyTorch, Scrapy, Beautiful Soup, LightGBM, Li5, Piano, NuPick, Ramp, Bob, PyBrain, Cafe2, Chainer. Sounds like a lot. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. These libraries make your life so much easier by providing tools that simplify even the most complex tasks. Python does the heavy lifting so you can focus on what you do best, analyzing and interpreting the data. Now, you might be thinking, all right, this sounds amazing, but how does this help me with my job? Well, here's the deal. Python isn't just a programming language. It's a key skill that many companies today are looking for. Whether you are in data analytics, data science, or even automation, Python helps you save time and simplify complex tasks. These libraries are used by top companies around the world, whether it's for data analytics, machine learning, or even AI research. Now, I'm sure you're excited to start exploring these libraries yourself, but where do you begin? And here's where Z Learning Lab comes in. We offer courses designed to help you master Python and many more. Whether you are a beginner just starting with data analysis or you're looking to advance your skill in machine learning, we have got you covered. Our courses will take you through the ins and outs of Python step by step with hands-on projects and real-world examples. And guess what? With Python under your belt, you'll open doors to so many career opportunities in data analytics, data science, and automation. You'll be ready to tackle those tough data challenges and make a real impact in the tech world. Check out our courses and start your journey with Python today. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create with Python.